Okay, sorry, medyo may sakit tayo today. Pero G lang tayo kasi I'm quite excited sa ipapakita ko sa inyo right now. This is a Roomba galing kay Lefant. I've always wanted one of these. So let's see what we can get and kung ano ang magiging performance ng Roomba na to. So out of the box, you're fully ready to go na. You have your actual Roomba and you have your brushes na may sinama pa silang extra spare in case na kailangan mong palitan. You also have an extra HEPA filter, yung brush, and finally, yung charging dock para sa Roomba natin na to. And by the way, Lefant told me na if you purchase one right now, you can get the mop attachment for free. So you can have your baby bot clean and mop at the same time. Setup is fairly simple. Hindi mo lang i-attach yung brushes, yung mop kung meron ka man, and yung pinaka-pwesto niya kung saan mo siya gusto magpahinga pag lobat na. And once na-set up mo na siya sa app, just click on Start Cleaning and you're good to go. Ang kaya naman sa kanya is hindi siya ganun kaingay, plus may auto-mapping siyang ginagawa in-app para malaman niya yung layout ng lugar mo, and as well as may iba pang operating mode na pwede mo piliin para sa kanya. And if you're worried kung may suction power ba talaga siya, here's an example to show you kung gaano ba talaga kalakas ang suction power niya. So that's the Roombot from Lefant, and definitely a nice must-have para sa improvement ng bahay niyo. Yeah.